Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi has called on leaders and Kenyans at large to desist from disparaging the judiciary over Thursday's High Court ruling by a 5-judge bench which declared the BBI process illegal, null and void. In a statement, Mudavadi says that as ANC, they are convinced that whereas the court points out some sticky issues in the proposed bill, there are equally very useful proposals for the nation and the people. Mudavadi has warned that Kenyans should not throw out the baby with the bathwater. There must be a silver lining out of the court's judgment, and this is what the country must look for. He has appealed to all leaders to consider a return to the conversation table and restart an inclusive national dialogue styled on the format of the 1997 IPPG arrangement. Mudavadi is currently on a tour of Nyeri County, and we are now joined by our reporter Daniel Karaoke live from Nyeri. Good afternoon, Daniel. It's good to see you. Has Musalia Mudavadi arrived?
Right, George, good afternoon to you. And Musalia Mudavadi, the ANC leader, is yet to arrive, but he will be arriving any minute from now, from what we understand. And of course, he is going to be heading to Kanini Kega, the Kieni MP's home. He is having a Thanksgiving ceremony, and that's where he is actually going to be attending that Thanksgiving ceremony. And we anticipate that maybe he is going to address matters to do with the BBI. Remember, just like you have put it earlier in that reader, that he has already said that national leaders should come together and have a national conversation concerning what has been happening or what has happened before, that being the court ruling, the hard-hitting court ruling that was issued on Thursday by the 5-judge bench concerning the BBI and the process, that they said that it was unconstitutional as well as illegal. And so Musalia Mudavadi, we anticipate that he's going to address that. Yesterday, while he was in Kilgoris, where he was meeting Maasai leaders, he talked of the lawyers sitting down and ensuring that they have actually discussed this ruling in length, and to ensure that they have guided and advised the proponents of this bill on the process. In his statement that he released this morning, Musalia Mudavadi, or rather the ANC party, says that it is possible to have this BBI, these pertinent issues that were raised by the court, the 5-judge bench, addressed in the right manner. One, by ensuring that maybe the entire process is started afresh and following the right procedures, and also one of it being the IEBC. He actually addressed at length concerning matters to do with the IEBC, and in his statement also he talked over this process, and as well as the next general election, some of the issues that were in the BBI not being able to be achieved by the next general election. And so this conversation, we are going to be listening from him one-on-one to just hear a bit of what he's going to be telling us concerning all this, or if he's going to echo his own sentiments in the statement that he issued this morning. George.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. That has been Daniel Karaoke, our reporter, joining us from Nyeri County. Away from that, members of the Turkana community living outside